every fiber deployment has unique requirements. That's why LANshack offers a complete family of QuickTreX pre-terminated fiber optic assemblies designed for professional network installations. From indoor plenum and indoor-outdoor assemblies to interlocking armor, ultra-thin armored, hybrid, aerial, and rugged OSP solutions, QuickTreX delivers pre-terminated fiber assemblies for virtually every installation environment. Need a ready-to-ship solution? Choose from our in-stock pre-terminated fiber optic assemblies with same-day shipping. Looking for a specialized configuration? Explore QuickTreX custom pre-terminated assemblies built for your unique project requirements. Available in single-mode and multi-mode options, QuickTreX pre-terminated assemblies combine trusted performance with one of the industry's most complete product selections, proudly made in USA. From in-stock same-day shipping solutions to QuickTreX or custom pre-terminated fiber optic assemblies, discover one of the industry's most complete product lines at LANshack and get the right fiber solution for your next deployment. Shop now